Bonjour, mes amis. Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on incredible train journeys. Today, we have a hidden gem to unveil, the Cévenol Line in France. This scenic railway takes you through some of the most breathtaking landscapes in the country. But wait until you hear these lesser-known facts about it. Stay tuned for a journey you won't forget. Enchanting countryside. Our journey begins amidst the enchanting French countryside. But did you know that the Cévenol Line is nicknamed LaLignedesCévennes, and it's renowned for its stunning views of the Cévennes mountains? It's like a page out of a fairy tale. Historical significance. This railway is not just about scenic beauty, it's also steeped in history. It was initially constructed in the late 19th century to connect Clermont-Ferrand and Nîmes. It played a crucial role in linking these regions and boosting economic development. The resistance connection. During World War II, the Cévenol Line played a vital role in the French resistance. Local heroes used the train to transport supplies, messages, and resistance fighters. The tracks themselves were part of the secret network that helped liberate France. Spectacular viaducts. The Cévenol Line features some spectacular viaducts that seem to defy gravity. One of the most famous is the Viaduct de Chamberigot, an engineering marvel that spans over the Louche River. It's a sight to behold. Literary inspiration. This railway has inspired many writers and artists, including famed French author André Gide. His novel Travels in the Cévennes was inspired by his journeys on this very line. The landscapes and people he encountered are beautifully depicted in his work. Le Train des Nuages. Here's a fun fact. The Cévenol Line is sometimes affectionately referred to as Le Train des Nuages or the Train of the Clouds because it often travels through misty, ethereal landscapes, creating an almost dreamlike atmosphere. Revival and modern comfort. While the Cévenol Line has a rich history, it also embraces the future. In recent years, it has undergone a revival, with modernized train cars that offer comfort, convenience, and accessibility while preserving the timeless beauty of the journey. Hidden vineyards. One of the lesser-known secrets of the Cévenol Line is that it passes through the remarkable vineyards of the Côtes du Rhône wine region. As you travel, you'll be treated to views of lush vineyards, which produce some of France's finest wines. It's a wine lover's dream. Bucolic farming communities. This scenic railway journey also offers a glimpse into the life of local farming communities. The Cévenol Line meanders through idyllic villages where you can witness traditional farming practices and the simple yet charming way of life in rural France. Historic train stations. The Cévenol Line boasts some historic train stations that have retained their old-world charm. Many of these stations are architectural gems with unique features, providing a sense of nostalgia for passengers who appreciate railway history. Steam train era. Long before modern locomotives graced these tracks, the Cévenol Line was once served by steam trains. The era of these majestic steam locomotives is part of the railway's rich heritage, and remnants of this time can still be found along the route. Truffle country. For food lovers, the Cévenol Line is a gateway to truffle country. This region is known for its prized black truffles, and if you time your visit right, you might find truffle markets in some of the charming towns along the route. Underground tunnels. The Cévenol Line is not only above ground, it also passes through numerous tunnels. These tunnels often lead to hidden gems, such as caves and underground wonders. It's like a journey within a journey. Natural phenomenon. Did you know that the Cévenol Line follows the course of the Tarn River? This river is known for its striking natural phenomenon called the Tarn Gorges, with steep cliffs and dramatic landscapes that you can glimpse from the train. UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Did you know that parts of the Cévenol Line pass through the Cévennes National Park, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve? This means that as you travel, you're surrounded by some of the most pristine and ecologically diverse landscapes in the world. A bridge to the past. As you journey along the Cévenol Line, keep an eye out for centuries-old stone bridges like the Pont de la Mousse. These historical bridges are not only architectural marvels but also tangible links to the past. Literary connections. The Cévenol Line has literary connections too. The famous Scottish author Robert Louis Stevenson embarked on a journey through the Cévennes region, which inspired his book, Travels with a Donkey in the Cévennes. His adventures on these very tracks are recounted in this classic travelogue. Rare flora and fauna. For nature enthusiasts, the Cévenol Line offers a chance to spot unique flora and fauna. The Cévennes region is home to rare species, including the Cévennes narcissus, a beautiful flower found nowhere else in the world. Railway artistry. Hidden in plain sight, the Cévenol Line features artistic surprises, such as murals, sculptures, and even musical installations at select train stations. These creative expressions add an extra layer of depth to the journey. Medieval fortresses. Throughout your journey, you might catch glimpses of medieval fortresses perched on hilltops. These castles, like the Château de Portes, stand as silent witnesses to centuries of history in the Cévennes region. A natural spa retreat. The Cévenol Line takes you through regions known for natural spring water sources. Some travelers even bring empty bottles to fill with these pure, cold mountain waters, believing them to have therapeutic properties. Truffle hunting dogs. The Cévenol Line region is renowned for truffle production, and it's fascinating to discover that truffle hunters and their skilled dogs often use the train to reach remote truffle grounds. The train becomes a part of this age-old tradition during the truffle hunting season. Vineyards along the tracks. In addition to beautiful landscapes, the Cévenol Line offers passengers a unique opportunity to admire vineyards right from the train window. These vineyards produce the acclaimed Costières de Nîmes wines. International link. While the Cévenol Line is mostly within France, it does extend slightly into Switzerland, making it an international railway route. Passengers get to experience the thrill of crossing borders without leaving the comfort of their seats. Picturesque gorges. The train journey through the Cévennes region takes you through stunning gorges and ravines. One of the most beautiful is the Gorges du Gardon, a natural wonder carved by the Gardon River, which you can admire from the train. Grand viaducts. Along the Cévenol Line, you'll encounter grand viaducts like the Viaduc du Vior. These architectural marvels not only allow the train to traverse difficult terrain but also provide passengers with awe-inspiring views. Agricultural marvels. The Cévennes region is also known for its agriculture. The sunflower fields you'll pass are not only a visual delight but also a testament to the rich agricultural heritage of the area. The ghost station. Intriguingly, the Cévenol Line has an abandoned ghost station, known as Gare des Salses. This station, once bustling with travelers, now stands in picturesque isolation, adding an eerie charm to the journey. Historic locomotives. The Cévenol Line has preserved some historic locomotives from its early days. You can still find vintage engines on display at certain stations, a testament to the railway's rich heritage. A railway of seasons. The Cévenol Line is a railway of seasons. Whether you visit in spring, summer, autumn, or winter, you'll witness a completely different, yet equally enchanting landscape. Each season paints a unique portrait of this picturesque route. The perfume connection. Did you know that the Cévenol Line passes through Grasse, known as the perfume capital of the world? The region is famous for its production of exquisite fragrances, adding another layer of olfactory delight to your journey. The Cévenol's musical journey. The Cévenol Line has inspired musicians to compose beautiful melodies. Local musicians occasionally serenade passengers with live music, enhancing the enchantment of the journey. Postcard views from bridges. Some of the most iconic postcard views of the Cévenol Line can be seen from its bridges. These vantage points offer travelers stunning panoramic vistas that are truly postcard-worthy. The lavender fields. Venture off the train during your journey, and you might stumble upon lavender fields. The Cévennes region is known for its aromatic lavender, providing a sensory delight for travelers. Mystical legends. The Cévenol Line region is steeped in folklore and legends. From tales of hidden treasure to stories of ancient spirits, these local myths add an element of mystery to the journey. And there you have it, a treasure trove of lesser-known, enchanting facts about the Cévenol Line. It's not just a train journey, it's an exploration of history, culture, nature, and the imagination. So, when you plan your next French adventure, be sure to include this extraordinary railway in your itinerary. À la prochaine, fellow explorers.